This is the new flagship from the brand Nothing. Starting price is $799. I'm here at the launch event in London. Let's go through some of the key features in this hands-on video. So this is it. This is the new flagship. You know, on first impressions, I actually really like it. It's still got that industrial design that if you compare it with the previous generation, you can see it just looks a bit more refined. We'll talk about that interesting camera arrangement on the back, but as far as the front is concerned, you have a 6.67 inch, 120 hertz, super bright AMOLED display, which is nice to see. The bezels around the side are much more uniform. They're slightly thinner now, and you also have in here the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 with AI engine, so that should be something for improved performance, improved battery life. Talking of battery life, check this out. Carbon silicon battery in here, 5,150 milliamp hour battery with 65 watt fast charging. The benefits of carbon silicon are in terms of performance, but also you're able to fast charge. Fast charging, I believe, 0 to 50% in around about 19 minutes, which is incredible. Now, the back. What is different in the back? Well, we have this triple camera setup. All of these are 50 megapixel. You have the periscope, you have the telephoto, you have the main camera. By the way, the front has also been updated, a 50 megapixel on the front, and this also supports 4K 60 frames per second recording. And the big difference now is no more of that glyph on the back, the glyph interface, which is what the Nothing smartphone was famous for. It's changed now because you've got this area over here with the updated version, or the kind of view of the glyph, which is really interesting. You can use this for notifications, but with Nothing OS, the update, you're now able to have a whole range of different toys. It's a fun feature. I'm not sure how practical this will be, but I think for some people they'll like it. I can imagine sort of using this for a whole range of things. That's certainly something that in my full review I will take a look into. So if you want to see that, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below for the full review. One of the things, you notice that red spot, that is not only there for aesthetics. When you start recording, so for example, if I'm recording a video here, you start to see that red spot flash up. So it lets the person know that they are being filmed. Right, here's a closer look at the color difference between the two of them. Obviously, this is the black variant versus the white. I like the fact that they're both incredibly clean. As I mentioned earlier on, this is not just aesthetics. When you record video, this lights up, and I think that is much more prominent on the black variant. But yeah, what do you think? Which color do you prefer? Let me know in the comments down below. I think for me, like I was gonna say white, I keep going back between the two of them. I don't know, man. Can I just take one in each color? But yeah, let me know in the comments which one you prefer. For many of you that come from an older Nothing device, that camera upgrade might be worth considering. Now with that 50 megapixel across the 4 cameras, including that front-facing camera, and you do have a maximum zoom, let's go all the way in to 60x. Obviously, this is something that we'll test out in our final version, because these are the pre-launch variants, so software and the rest of it, you have to factor that in mind. But it's good to see that Nothing have made improvements there with the cameras, especially on the front-facing camera. So like my first impressions with this device, I think it's good. Obviously, when it comes to testing it out, that will give us more information. But it's nice to see that Nothing have made these refinements and changes to their flagship device. A lot of people have been asking for an update to the flagship, and I guess with this, we're getting that from the brand. The cameras, the cool new glyph interface, the performance, all that stuff will be tested out in my full review. So make sure you hit subscribe to know exactly when that video goes live. And I'm Kwan here in London with the Nothing launch. I'll see you in the next video. Now go and check out another one over here. Peace and blessings.